users, welcome to Mega Creatives. In this video I am going to explain you how to resolve your hanging problems in your laptops and desktop in Windows operating systems. So, 4 basic steps how to clean the junk files and temporary files in your operating systems. User profiles and operating system Windows temp folders and some other junk files. You have to run the temp command first. For that you have to use the shortcut commands Windows R. You will get the run window. In that you have to type temp, T-E-M-P, then enter. You will get Windows temporary folder. In that all the junk files, you select Control A. It means you select all the files and folders, then select Shift Delete. It will ask delete multiple items, then click yes. How many items are there? It will list out in this. In this it is listing 353 items. Yes. Yeah, it is removed this much files. Some of the files and folders won't be removed. Then just do this option, select do this all current item one found, enable that, then select skip and enter. Some of the files and folders left over, then leave it as it is. Then close that folder. I select Alt F4, shortcut command to close that. Then second command is %temp%. That also you have to run from that run window using Windows R key. Type %temp%. It will remove from your user profile temporary files and folders. Here also select Control A, then Shift Delete. Shift Delete means it will be delete permanently from your laptop or desktop. Then select yes. All the junk files will be deleted here. Anything left over, here also you have to select. Do this for all current items. Then select skip. That's it. Now close this window. Again open run. There you type prefetch, P-R-E-F-E-T-C-H. Then enter. Asking any permissions, you click continue. You are not an administrator user, you have to provide the administrator password. Here also select all, and shift delete. Okay, it's removed all the temporary files from the prefetch folders. Close the window. Then now go to the desktop recycle bin. Right click recycle bin. There select empty recycle bin options. Yeah, click yes. Are you sure you want to permanently delete all of these items? Yes. Yes, now most of the unwanted files are removed from your Windows operating systems, user profile and Windows temporary folders. Now you can restart your laptop, then feel the speed of your operating system. If this video helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.